afternoon, everyone. So this morning I spoke to you about starting up your Bratt Pan ready for cooking, and we covered all those procedures. Now I have done my base for my curry. So in the background you can see I've done quite a lot of cooked onions, and that will form the base of my new curry that I'm going to do later on. Anyway, so now the Bratt Pan's been used and it's in a state of requires cleaning, and again we'll show you how to do that quite quickly and quite safe as well. So very important before you actually start to decant your Bratt Pan is to make sure that everything is switched off. So as you can see on the bottom here, my energy is switched off. This is a gas Bratt Pan, remember, and I've made sure that there's no energy going into the flames. And likewise for electric one, make sure you switch the Bratt Pan off completely. It's also advisable just before you actually start to do the process of the cleaning, if it's a bit of a time gap, put some water in the base of your pan, otherwise it will start to cake on, which will make your life so much more difficult and take longer to clean the pan. So I've just literally decanted the onions, as you can see, and my pan is in well, I've seen better times, but I'm going to give it a quick clean just to show you what to do, what not to do, and what to use, and absolutely what not to use. So please do not use any abrasive materials, any strong chemicals. You can use, as I said this morning, some soapy liquid and water. Again, the water you can get from your faucet, or you can acquire the water from the hot water tap. Just put a bit in your pan. Don't fill the pan up too much. There's no point. We are going to clean it properly and then dry it sufficiently afterwards. Okay, if you have a mild spray like this, which is a kitchen, just a general kitchen degreaser which you use on the surfaces, and you have any hard wearing or carbonization in your pan, you can utilize this on there. Let it sit for a few minutes and then come in then again and scour it off as far as humanly possible. Do not use the metal scourer, use the spongy. Try and use this side. If it doesn't work, you can go to the green, but use the well-used one, not a brand new one, as will start to scratch your pan. Okay, microfiber towel we've got, and we also have our protective equipment, my apron, my cloth, and I'm going to put on my dishwashing gloves. Alright, so I've taken out most of the cooking product, which I've done. I'll just take out the... So now I've got all my food, and I'm going to put that straight into the glass jug. And I will proceed with the cleaning. So again, I'm going to put some hot water in my jug, just with a bit of detergent, not chemical. Just a little bit more. You can see that's probably just about 2 litres, and this is an 80 litre pan. No need to put more liquid than that in. This will be more than sufficient to clean the pan. I'm going to come with my spongy first, and just go around the pan. Corners and things like that, make sure that all the food gets removed from the pan, disperse it into your water along the sides and on the back. Okay, there's a bit of an area here, it needs a bit more robust cleaning, so I'll just use very lightly the green of the sponge. Thank you. And that's your Bratt Pan cleaned and seasoned, ready for use again. Thank you for watching and see you next time, and remember, keep it cooking.